It's the 18th of May, 2024. I'm on my way to Maker Central. It's early o'clock in the morning. Hopefully I'm going to get a chance to actually meet some of my favourite YouTubers, such as Leo from Handicraft, Peter Millard again, and Vicky, the carpenter's daughter. Now, they're all on the same stall, and hopefully they're going to be on the main stage around about 12:30, I think, and that's today. So I better get a move on and get up there. If you see me there, say hello. Right, see you there. Let's go. Well, I've arrived and the car park is a bit chaotic, but I think I'm in the right place. So let's go in and see some people.
been doing this for just over 3 years. And in that time, I've done a lot of jobs around the house. But one thing that I have had the opportunity of doing in the last 3 years is getting to know other YouTubers, other British woodwork and DIY YouTubers. So I'm the master of the jig from the 10-minute workshop where 10 minutes is never enough. Peter Miller. Max Esley. You know her as the carpenter's daughter. Vicky Lee. From Hand Eye Craft, it's Leo. Charlie DIY. It's your turn to ask these five, and maybe if you want to ask me a question, I don't know. So, I'm going to...
It is.
Contestants as well. There they are over there. Because it's such a unique experience to be able to do something like that. And just as woodworkers, you know, woodworking is a hobby, to go into a situation like that where we're given free rein to make whatever we want, and these are, you know, whatever tools, whatever wood we can get. Was a brilliant experience, and then to see ourselves on the telly, to go from that to that was wonderful.
It was driving me crazy.
And you chose to use so many angles, didn't you?
Yes.
I wouldn't do that. I kept mine square, but with a few curves.
I mean, in the end, I figured it out. Okay? But that was hard. That was hard.
Right, well, so that's about it. I've finished now. I've been there all day. I'm absolutely exhausted. So the guys that have been actually running stalls today, I don't know how they've done it, but well done to everybody that I've met. It's been great. Managed to meet loads of makers that I've wanted to meet for ages. This event is fantastic. So Nick Zametti, well done for putting this on. It's getting more and more popular every year, and it's definitely a good day out. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.